Ever freeze in the middle of a sentence? You know what you want to say, but the words just won't come out? That's because you're trying to build English word by word. Native speakers don't do that. They use ready-made sentences. So today, let's give your brain 30 simple, ready-to-use sentences. You can use them today. Let's practice. Just listen and repeat after me. 1. I just woke up. 2. I need some coffee. 3. I'm getting ready. 4. I'm leaving now. See you later. 5. I'm back. I'm home. 6. I'm really tired today. 7. How are you doing? 8. Long time no see. 9. What are you up to? 10. That sounds fun. 11. I'm so happy for you. 12. Let's hang out soon. 13. Can you help me, please? 14. I don't understand. Can you say it again? 15. I have a question. 16. I'm almost done. 17. I will be a little late. 18. I learned something new today. 19. How much is this? 20. I would like this, please. 21. I'm just looking, thank you. 22. Where is the bathroom? 23. Can you show me the way? 24. The check, please. These are so useful, right? But here's how you actually remember them. Don't just read them. Say them out loud. And connect them to your life. Don't just say I would like this, please. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. You see your favorite drink. Now say it, I would like this, please. When you feel it, your brain keeps it. That's the secret. Let's finish with 6 more sentences you can use anywhere. 25. I'm sorry, I forgot. 26. No problem. It's okay. 27. I like it a lot. 28. I don't like it. 29. Give me a minute, please. 30. I'm trying my best. That's it. 30 simple sentences for your daily life. Don't try to learn all 30 right now. Pick just 5 for today. Say them out loud 3 times. Which one will you use today? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more videos that help you speak English naturally and confidently.